Do you need urgent money? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make up to $120 per test, not just per day. So you can take a lot of tests in one day and make several $120. If this is something you're interested in, which means you can make up to $1,200 in a day because you make $120 per test. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. You know I've always got you guys covered. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you guys, and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. God bless you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, of course I know I'm hyper. Let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. I'm based here in California, and I drop 3 to 4 videos on this channel every week. So make it a date on this channel. Make sure that you join the family in case you have not liked this video, and also share with your village members. Yes, share this video with your community, because I'm gonna be keeping it real right here on this channel. So just so you know, I'll be showing you guys step by step how to apply for this test and earn up to $120 per test. If this strikes as something you're interested in, don't touch the dial. Keep on watching this video all the way up to the end. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, when I discovered this website, my life has not remained the same ever since I discovered this website. Trust me, I'll be making cheddars. You know, I'm not here to sleep, and I'm here to put you guys on the air. I'm not here to hold back information. You know, on this channel, we don't gatekeep. So come with me, guys. Let's just go. Yes, so today I've got something exciting for you. It's a fantastic way to actually make money online and earn money instantly. Instantly. If you're wondering what exactly I'm talking about, a website is no other than usertesting.com. Yay! So guys, I'm going to be showing you what user testing is and how you can get started. Yes, if this is something, just make sure that you stick around all the way till the very end. I'll be walking you guys through the steps one by one. So guys, the website, it's an app, and it's also a website. So in case you're wondering what is user testing and what does it entail, so guys, it is a process where individuals like you and me, we provide feedback on websites, apps, or products to help companies improve their user experience, because your opinion actually matters and companies are willing to pay for it. So what exactly is user testing? Just so you know, some third-party vendors offer user testing services. So usertesting.com is one of such platforms. It is a usable customer experience testing platform that gets on-demand feedback about a product or service from its target market, through which the companies can protect their brand and eliminate bad user experiences. So just so you know, this service can be used by marketers, UX and usability professionals, executives, e-commerce managers, product managers, entrepreneurs, game developers, search engine experts, mobile app developers, designers, and developers to get their products tested from the real users, so acquire feedback and remove issues from the products before its final launch. So how does user testing work? Guys, all over the world, yes, you can use this website all over the world. Yes, you can make money using this website from any part of the world that you reside in. Yes, so you know I've always got you guys covered on this channel. So guys, all over the world, they work with several companies that want to hear honest feedback from real users regarding what they think about their digital products. So as a tester on usertesting.com, you will help companies by creating a better digital experience by telling them what you think would work best on their website or app, and what could be better and why you feel that way. You can also make money while doing so. So for the companies, as an organization, you go to their website and request a trial of their testing services. You need to fill up a form including details about your business, use case, name and contact information, work email, company name, number of employees, and country. And if you find their services useful, then you can engage them for user testing on your website or web app. So depending on the business use case, they help the companies in targeting the right customers from whom useful feedback can be obtained and insights about the user experience can be discovered. After getting feedback on the user experience and receiving answers to critical product development questions, you can share your learnings across across the organization. Now, this website has actually been in existence since 2007, and as a business organization, you can consider it as a good choice if you are looking for a user testing tool. So guys, this website has been in existence since 2007. As a business organization, you can consider it as a good choice if you're looking for a user testing tool. Now, the user satisfaction for this tool is quite high, and it has a good number of positive social mentions. So the second segment is getting started. Now, you know what user test. Now that you know what user testing is, let's talk about how to get started. Now, there are several testing platforms out there, and I'll introduce you to each of them as I discover them. Yes, you know I'm working for you guys day and night. I'm constantly doing research just so I bring it to you guys doorstep and become and help you guys make extra money every single day. You know, we're not playing here. So when you go to usertesting.com, www.usertesting.com, simply sign up, create a profile, and start looking for available tests. So go to usertesting.com/get-paid-to-test. On the top right corner, click on sign in, click on get paid to test, then enter your email address, and of course get started. Now, the sign on process on a popular user testing platform is super easy. Now, here is segment 3. For segment 3, you have to fill in your qualifications and requirements. Now, before you start ranking in the cash, keep in mind that certain tests may have specific qualifications. Now, some companies may be looking for users with particular demographics or interests, so make sure that you fill out your profile accurately to increase your chances of qualifying for more tests or being matched with the right kind of test. Now, examples of qualification criteria and how to optimize your profile include where you live, what do you like, what are your preferences, and stuff like that. All right, you have qualified for a test. So when you are taking a test, it is essential to provide honest and detailed feedback, because companies want to know what actually works and what doesn't work from a user's perspective. Your insights are actually valuable, and they'll be using your own opinions to make decisions, yes, in their companies. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, which is getting paid. Yes, so of course, who doesn't want to get paid? So let's talk about how to get paid on this platform. Come with me, guys. Let's go. So guys, most user testing platforms compensate users through PayPal or gift cards. Now, the pay varies, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash or gift cards for your favorite stores. Now, there are various payment methods, and this is a great potential earning for you guys. And so guys, there you have it, folks. This is just an introduction to making money online through user testing. It is a fun, easy, and rewarding way to share your thoughts while putting some extra money in your pocket, of course. So if you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and leave any questions or comments down below. So happy testing and happy earning. Yes, so guys, if you have not joined the family yet, what are you waiting for? You know I'm constantly doing research for you guys day and night. It is actually very hot right now. I'm telling you, it's very, very hot right now, and I'm taking the pains to shoot this video for you guys outside in the sun. You can see. So yes, go ahead and join the family. And if you have not introduced yourselves yet, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? Yes, so and make sure that you also leave your trademark. Yes, where in the world are you watching from? I really love to meet you guys. Yes, because on this channel I am building a community, and I want to say big thank you. At this point, I want to say big thank you to all my Patreon members. Yes, I am yet to announce it, but I see that 40 people have actually joined my Patreon membership. So I want to say big thank you. For those of you who want to join my Patreon membership, find the link in the comments as well as in the description, and be part of the inner caucus. Part of the perks of becoming a Patreon member of my community is that you get a one-on-one consultation with me. Yes, you get free access to me, like you see me one-on-one. So go ahead and book a free consultation. But first, you have to join my Patreon, because when you book a consultation without being a Patreon member, I will have to cancel. I will definitely cancel it. So guys, I will see you in my next video. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you another way to make up to $90 per hour. Yes, so if this is something you're interested in, don't sleep on it, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Keep winning and keep shining, and don't forget to check out my previous videos. Begin to apply for all these amazing opportunities that I have shared with you guys on my channel. And of course, I'll see you guys on the inside. Take care and bye for now. I love you all. Mwah.